Huh. We're back. We are back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt. Today we are looking at another BenQ Screenbar. Now, the last one that we looked at was a larger version of this, and I have it on my desk. I've been using it ever since I unboxed it. I absolutely love it. It was a little pricey. I think right now it's like at $135. This one currently is $100, and if it's anything like the original, it's gonna be worth it. Just like the other one, this has an auto dimming feature. It has a ambient light sensor built into it, so if the room is really bright, the light itself will be really bright. If it's a dark room, it'll dim it just a little bit. Plus you can do cold and warm, which is nice. Oh, it comes in a nice little plastic case. I'm digging that. Oh, that thing is small. Now this thing is fully powered by USB, so if you are using this on your laptop, you just plug it in the USB port and you're good to go. That is clean looking. So there you go, there's the ambient light sensor. I'm not sure what the heart means. And you have auto, you have power. Now this is all touch. It's really lightweight, but it definitely feels like it's made out of premium materials. I believe this is aluminum alloy. And then on the back, you've got this nice little clip, but it's got these soft rubber padding so it doesn't damage your laptop screen. Or if you have a thin enough monitor, you can even put that on there, but this is definitely gonna be for laptops for sure. It's completely 100% glare free. Has an asymmetrical optical design that only illuminates the desk and ensures zero reflective glare off the screen. And it works, it really does. Hopefully this one is built the same as the other because it works really well. All right, so real simple. You take it and you clip it. Oh, look at that. Oh, how cool. I didn't really think about this beforehand, but you can see the notch. It actually is cut out for the camera so it doesn't obscure the camera. I like that. There we go. Let's plug it in. Whoa. Okay, there you go. So you can see it's very directional. You can put it way out if you want. You can put it really super close. You've got your brightness sensitivity level, and you can see here you can turn it way down, you can turn it way up. And then you have your temperature. So you can go super warm, but then you have the auto. So depending on your lighting, it's gonna go to the optimal brightness setting. Let's go super white. Let's get it all the way bright. There we go, that's pretty bright. That's pretty bright. And then you go to auto, and it's gonna detect the brightness in here, and it's gonna adjust accordingly. There we go, see, look at that, almost perfect. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I really like it. And again, I really like the original one too. Huge fan of it. I've been using it every single day. Literally, I use it every day. Build quality is top notch. I mean, BenQ, they do put out some premium stuff, and yet again, they did not disappoint. And if you are traveling with it and you wanna keep it nice and protected, you just slap it back into the little case that comes with it. There you go. And there it is. And you take it with you. So when it's fully open, almost 1.5 inches of space. So if you have a thin enough monitor and you want to go with this smaller style, this might work out for you. But if you are in the market and you're looking for something that'll help you light up your work area without taking up any room, definitely go check this one out. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.